Blue-haired vision, wouldn't you agree? This is Mermaid to Fashion Model, Episode 3. Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbie Nation here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Arjen, aka Barbie Nation, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's dive into the deep waters of Dreamtopia. Here we go. Yes, today we are doing another magical girl transformation with the Dreamtopia Barbie mermaids, and today I've got Brooklyn. She is such a vision. Okay, so check her out. Brooklyn with fantasy hair. I am just in love with that face sculpt. It is so sweet. It's so cutesy and happy, and pairing that with some super cute fantasy colored hair is just I am waiting for them to release a Brooklyn with like super soft pink hair. That will be just awesome for me. Yeah. This mermaid is from last year's lineup actually, that also had the purple haired Tory face mold. Also did a video on her, and of course you can check that out if you're into these mermaid to fashion model series. And actually this mermaid, she's really pretty. I mean, she has all the pastel colors that I love, except for seafoam green. But I mean, as a mermaid, she is just gorgeous, really. But I just need to put some legs on her and see how she will look as a iconic fashion model with blue hair. Yes. Yeah, the packaging is pretty much what it is, and it's very easy to open actually, because it just has this plastic lid, so you just do that. And she pretty much isn't attached to anything in the box, so
yeah, that was pretty easy.
So this is her fin, and we're just gonna have to click that on the bottom here. I'm always confused to like, what is the... Okay, this is the front. Ta-da! Wow, she just, like I said, as a mermaid, she is very pretty. And that hair, you guys, wow, it is just looking straight into the ocean. So pretty. Okay, so it is a polypropylene hair, so that's, yeah, we all know it's not the best quality hair. And for styling, it really is, well, yeah, what is there to say about it other than, you know, this is it, we're gonna have to work with it, we're gonna give her some cute outfits and cute looks and style this hair in a cute way and show that this blue-haired Brooklyn mermaid is just a fashion model at heart. So as you can see in the hair, it has like all these different shades of blue, and it just, with that Brooklyn face, I mean, I am really loving her. I think I actually am gonna get a second one just to keep as is, because look at her in her mermaid form, right? Made to move options, very important. We're gonna use the good old classic yellow top. Yay, she's a perfect match for...
Well, is she a perfect match?
Yeah, as you can see, she is a great match for her. So that was like the quickest review unboxing that I did. So let's let's head off straight to the salon and give this mermaid Dreamtopia Brooklyn doll the makeover she deserves. Here we go. So those were my looks for the Barbie Dreamtopia Brooklyn doll. She is so super adorable and I am obsessed with her hair. It is, I know it's polypropylene hair, but it totally fits the fantasy, so I'm down with it. Yeah, I totally got into the spring mood with this whole April showers look. It is so freaking adorable. Oh. And the other two looks also, of course, very cute. I wanted to do something like with the treasure princess, like a mermaid going ashore with her treasures and finally can finalize those looks that she has been imagining. So I put her in this super Barbie pink gown and let her have all the accessories she'd ever dreamed of on her. And yeah, so that was kind of like that fantasy. And then we went over to the kawaii beat. I really wanted to do something cute, fun, and dancey on her. So I used the Cutie Reveal unicorn joggers with, I think the top is from the Barbie Extra car set. Yeah. And it's just a very adorable look. Pastel perfection. And this last April showers look, how freaking adorable. So yeah, these are quite a few elements on her look because these boots actually are from a 2010 spring themed fashion pack. And this this shirt is actually from the Creatable Worlds dolls. It has some super cute fashion items, and it's such a shame that that line didn't continue because I really loved those fashions and they were really nice quality fashions also. Use that on her. This raincoat is actually from the Color Reveal Rain or Shine series. I don't remember the name anymore. And I was obsessed with it because it was like a rainbow of pastel colors. Still only got Barbie and the purple Kira-faced girl and still want to try to get the rest. So I'm hoping for them to drop in a sale sometime so I can really hunt down all of those super cute girls. The raincoat is from that series and the beret, that super cute beret. I have it in a couple of colors now and I actually found it on AliExpress. Yes. Oh, and the umbrella, by the way, is from a Little Twin Stars Remand set, so it's not Barbie or anything, but those little Remand sets sometimes come with just the cutest accessories that you can totally use for your Barbie dolls. And I just love her super sweet face with her purple eyes and that bright smile. And I actually first thought that her lips were kind of like pixelated, but it's actually glitter.
It's a glitter shine on her lips. I mean, so cute.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see what kind of mermaids are coming out next for this year. I already saw this super cute mermaid set with a lavender-haired girl, and Barbie has some really cute mint streaks in her blonde hair. And it also comes with a pink-haired Chelsea mermaid, adorable, in a rainbow swing, magic wands, birthday balloons, and presents. I mean, this set has everything that I love. It has pastel colors, it has mermaids, it has a birthday theme, and it has a rainbow. Adorable. So I am on the lookout for the drop of this set, believe me. So of course, let me know down in the comments below which look was your favorite. Are you gonna get this Brooklyn Mermaid doll? Are you excited for some new mermaids that are coming out? I only saw the picture of that set that I just told you about, but maybe you have some tea on some new mermaids perhaps? I mean, drop the info down below and let's continue the conversation about our favorite little magical girl, which is, of course, the mermaid. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and, of course, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified about any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram at Barbie Nation. It's usually where I post all of my updates. And until the next video, mwah, big kisses from me, and I love you all.